Sophia.
Parker.
Olivia.
I would have to say the banana boat. It's really fun. It's really fun because sometimes you can get splashed a little and sometimes you can fall off. And the water is usually just warm.
I like the cruise, the North Star cruise, because I like the fireworks. The food was good.
Everything's my favorite. The funniest part was when I kept getting cups of water from the counter and kept spilling it on Parker's head.
Yeah. Yes, she did.
I thought the funniest part was when Mom fell off the banana boat.
Oh yeah, yeah.
When I was driving the golf course, when I had to stop, I just pressed on the brakes so hard and went like skirt.
We all almost.
You went like front and back like.
Me and my dad went golfing most of the time. For like an hour yesterday. I gotta drive the golf cart the whole entire time. It was just really fun. I love it, and I like golfing here.
It's just because it's really fun, and every time I come here, I just have a really good time.
Yeah.
Craguns is the best.